Hello everyone, this is Alyssa with Pixnub. In this video, I'm just going to cover the template differences between our new yearbook mode and the regular composite mode. They are similar, however, there are some key differences. If we look here in our standard class template for the regular composites, you'll see there are many files that will adjust to the amount of students that are in per class. Whereas with the yearbook templates, there's going to be only up to 3 files: the first page, the main page, and the graphics file. For the yearbook, it just requires this main page here. It depends how you want to group them. If you're going to be sorting by grade or by class, then it's recommended that you'll use the one with the heading with the first page. And as you scroll through, you see that the group overflows onto the next page. And when this group ends, then it will start a new page. You can group them with no headings, but it will look a little weird as it stops in a group and starts a new group with no heading. So in this case, it would be recommended if you're going to have your group selection as none. For whatever headings you want to put in here, this is going to go into your first page file. This can be named anything. You just have to ensure that this is named the same as whatever column is in your CSV file. We'll go over in more detail the CSV file setup in another video. And for your EasyComp graphics file, this is going to be where you decide what you want your background color to be. This is also where you'll get your light and dark styles. This is where it's going to read it. When you set them up to how you want, you can just hide them, save the file, and get ready to composite.